nto ayikho ikhampani edinga leyo nto akungabi into esizothi mesiyenza sibe pride ngayo uyabona mhlazana sibe pride ukuthi izingane zethu zinikwe izitifiketi zokwakha ama-packs okuneka kulayini. Not even one technical school has ever produced a child who can make e-packs lokuneka kulayini. No. But sinabantu namhlanje abakhipha izitifiketi zokuthi izingane zabo zinezimomozo ezincane. Isitifiketi semomozo asenzi lutho. Virginity certificate, we don't need it. Nobody needs it. You can never be putting that on your CV that I'm also a virgin. Because no one inkampani ayisizakala lutho ngawe. And ayibasizi lanto lana. No one osizakalayo ngayo. Awukwazi ukuthi uemphasize ukuthi mina ndasoka athi mina nginesitifiketi sokuba yivat. We don't need that. We don't need that. Computer science, we need those diplomas. Produce that. At your age, 21 years, angisidingi certificate of virginity. Microsoft Computer Science Engineering, how's that? How don't you produce that? How's that? It will be beautiful, it will be marvelous to produce that. Not a certificate of virginity. Certificate of momozi. Who likes it? Who want to see at your pubic area? Let me see whether you're a virgin or not. No one wants it. Izinto ngempela we as Africans ezisibuyisela back to 200 years ago. Because that outdates us by 300 years. Ukuthi now ku-21st century sisenengane na 23 years. Engaphume ePretoria Technical College. Engana diploma endawo. Kodwa nini certificate of-virginity ukuthi yona iyintombi. How's that? It doesn't sound good. It just doesn't sound good. At your age of 26 years, with a certificate of virginity, it does not work. We don't want that. We really don't want that. Lento oyenzayo akuyona lesifunayo. We need abantu abagood in flying drones, competing with drones. Drone specialist. We need that. Asibadinga abantu abasinayo nabadansayo. Lo mdanso wenu sekwenele. We need people who can help us with animation designing. We don't have those people. Abantu abakhona bayadansa. Abantu abakhona bayasina. Ayazi lento yakho iyangiwarisha mina. Yazi usina nje awunaso ngisho certificate se-baking. Certificate se-baking nje sokubhaka nje amakhekhe la siwahlaba, ayicika la siwahlaba.